The front and rear sonar systems are a parking aid that sounds a tone that helps the driver detect obstacles near the front and rear bumper. The system automatically turns on when the shift lever is placed in drive or reverse and the power switch is on. The beeping gets faster as you get closer to the obstacle, then sounds a continuous tone. An indicator will appear in the camera view as the obstacle gets closer. The system may not detect objects at speeds above 6 miles per hour. When the audible alert is active, press and hold this button to disable it. To enable or disable the system, use these controls to select Settings, Driver Assistance, Parking Assist. Then choose the item you wish to adjust. Sonar system sensors are located on the front and rear bumpers. Be sure to keep these areas clean and free from snow, ice, and dirt. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.